Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the issue where you can't select a Wi-Fi network from the menu on your MacBook. If you're missing the Wi-Fi option in the top right corner, don't worry, I have a solution that worked for me and I'm confident it will work for you too. First, you need to press the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and shut down your MacBook. Once your MacBook is completely turned off, press the power button once and then quickly tap it again and hold it. The sequence is press once, tap again quickly, and hold. Continue holding the power button until you see the startup options appear on the screen, then you can release the button. Wait for your MacBook to load up. You should see a window appear, and after a few seconds, the loading icon will disappear. At this point, you can press continue. The process is quite straightforward. After pressing continue, select your preferred language. Once you've done that, the Wi-Fi option should appear on the screen. That's it. If this helped you, please press the like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Take care and goodbye.